myth, that can be identifying for task, and that can be identifying for data application. These are the parameters that can have the basic application to enhance the system. These are the parameters that can have the basic task to perform the activity. Once we are going to perform the activity, we can have the multiple application. We can have the multiple set of instruction. Clear? So why I'm repeating this one? Because these are the basic backbone that will understood the analyzing the mobile application. What are the backbones? Effective use. What are the backbone? Virtual hierarchy. What are the backbone? Task completion. So these are the basic behavior that we are going to identifying to perform the activity. These are the basic activity that can be identifying with performance of data. These are the basic activity that can be identifying with performance of task. So enhancing the task, there we are going to use for multiple data to perform different activity. Enhancing the task, there we are going to perform for orientation of value, orientation of design, right? So design value application can be enhanced to perform the activity with basic development tools, with basic development design, with basic consideration and basic application. These are the parameters that can have the multiple performance to use the task and their derivation, to use data and their identification. Fine. So performance and task can have the multiple identification to make use of system and their development, make use of task and their identification, make use of data and their usability task, make use of data and their performance task. So enhancing performance the data based on available resources and applied capability, based on available resources and task durability. So durability of task can be assigned with different activity to perform the application, to perform the task, to perform the data. So these are the data model, these are the task model that can be enhanced. So once you use this parameter, there we can control the assigned activity. There we can control the application behavior. Fine. So usability of task can be assigned with parameter to perform the activity with given application. So these are the basic tasks that we can use for assigning the mobile durability. Okay. What do you mean by effective use? We are going to connect the interface to run the application. We are going to connect the task to identifying the system. We are going to connect the application to make the data. We are going to connect the value to run the durability task and identification. The performance of task can have the multiple identification to make use of system and their identification value. These are the performance you can assign with embracing mechanism. These are the performance we can assign with virtual hierarchy. These are the performance we can assign with task control. These are the performance we can assign with durability of data and performance system. So once you identifying this performance, better we can change the value. What are the value we are going to change? Virtual hierarchy value, focus value, data value, transformation value, and behavior value. I repeat once again, virtual hierarchy, transformation, data, and behavior. These are the four parameters we are going to change the system. So next the question asks, what are the understandability of mobile application users? Or what are the understandability of mobile design development? Or what are the understandability of general principle of mobile application? These are some basic questions that we are going to identifying where we have the performance, where we have the task, and where we have the design system. These are the performance that we are going to apply with multiple application to make the task. These are the application. So these are the basic application. These are the basic data. There we have the multiple identification. These are the basic data. There we have the multiple data value. So the transformation of task that can be identifying with value. That means the task that going to identifying the task that going to convert with given data that can be used for mobile durability system. These are the mobile durability that we are going to perform with assign system. These are the mobile durability that we are going to perform with assign value. So assigning data that can have the different data, task and support, assign data, different performance to assign activity, task data to support the inheritance and running the value. These are the tasks that can have the system. There we have the performance and detail. There we have the closure detail. So see, these are the symbols. Why the symbol required here? Symbol means this is the togetherness of performance that can be assigned for using the data. These are the performance of model that can have the control definition. These are the performance of application that can have available resources. Fine. So proximity. Proximity means we are going to assign the data depend upon the multiple application which perform system. Depend upon the multiple application with assigned task. Depend upon multiple application with assigned value. These are the assigned value. These are the assigned tasks that can have the interaction, that can have the application, that can have the transformation with design issue, that can have the transformation to completeness of system. So once you assign the completeness of system with application data, with support data that can be supported with minimal data value, that can be supported with assigned data value, that can be supported with task data value. So the task data can have the multiple control to assign the application with given performance. The task data we have for multiple interaction to support the data to enhance the value, support the data to enhance the application. These are the data set we can use for assign activity. These are the data set we can use for proximity of data application. Clear? So proximity is a data that going to combine the undefined data with similar expression. Proximity is a data that going to combine with multiple expression to assign data value. Once you use the task data, once you use the performance data, then we can assign the application. Then we can assign the data value. Then we can assign the data task, right? So application of data can be enhanced with minimum application and data set. Application of data can be enhanced with multiple data to perform the activity. Multiple data to perform the task. While using those tasks, we are having the simple application. While having those tasks, we are having the multiple data set. While having those tasks, we are having the data value. So enhancing the data, there we are going to perform the multiple application that can be used for analyzing the application, that can be used for generalized data value, that can be used for task data value. So the performance of data can be have the minimal application to make use of task and their orientation. Minimal application to make use of task and their identification. Fine. So task identification and performance of value can be assigned based on available resources. What are the resources we have? Resources means control. Resources means data, right? So these are the performance we are going to identify. Then closure means shape of the system can have the grading data to perform activity. Shape of the system are having horizontal data to perform the activity. So these are the hardware component, right? So this hardware component will help you to perform the activity to align the task, perform the activity to run the application. These are the segment data that can have the multiple application to perform system. These are the segment data that can have the multiple data set to identifying the task. So once you are going to identifying the task with given definition, we can complete and compile the data based on performance. We can complete and compile the data based on data behavior, right? So the performance of data can have the minimal presentation. Performance of data can have the minimal data to be used to identifying the task with their status. What is the status? Closure, proximity, then continuity. Continuity means what? You have completed some module. That module you have left with. After completion of that module, again you have started the other module, right? So other module development can be assigned with available resources and performance of task. I repeat once again, available resources can be identifying both with given data to perform the activity, with given data to identifying the task, with given data with performance manager. So these are the basic performance that can have the multiple identification to support the system, that can have the multiple identification to identifying the data. So the data value can be used to perform task application. Data value can be used to perform the orientation of task. That means we are going to identifying the system. We are going to perform the activity with minimal data. We are going to perform the activity with task performance. So these are the performance design that we can use for application. What performance? Continuity. Once you left some parameter, that parameter you are going to control. Once you left some parameter, that parameter you are going to assign, right? So assignment of data, just a minute. Assignment of data can have the multiple performance to perform the basic value. These are the tasks that can be used for application. These are the tasks that can be used for assign data. These are the tasks that can be used for application support. Fine. So support of data can have the multiple application to enhance the system. So support of data can have the basic application to have the basic data. So next we have the figure and ground. What do you mean by figure and ground? So we are going to enhance the figure and ground data to perform the application. We are going to enhance the figure and data to identifying the system. Once you identifying the system, that system can be performed to have the minimum activity. What minimum activity? The activity must be similarity, emphasis, data. These are the basic tools that we are going to use for performance and enhancing the value. These are the basic values we are using for enhancing the application. These are the basic values that we can use for running the data transformation. So usability of task can be assigned with available resources and task identification with performance data and similar control. So these are the similarity. So the main difference between similarity and usability can have the performance data to perform the activity with design segmentation, with task application, with control module. These are the control data that can be changed with usability. So you might have studied so many subject usability. This is the meaning are same almost. So usability is control of data that can be identifying with performance design, data system, and application of data conversion. These are the data durability can be used to perform the different activity to identifying the task, different activity to perform the application, different activity to use the task data. So these are the usefulness. These are the task development can have the support system. Fine. So once you identifying the system, once you perform the activity, there we can use the task. There you can apply the application. So this task, application, and data value can have the different parameter to perform the activity. What activity they are going to perform? They are going to perform the task design with usability control. Fine. So usability is a determination of data that is going to review the target audience and a specific application. That is going to review the task data with performance design. That is going to review the application data with available resources. So the control data that can have the assigned value to perform the application. Control data that can have assigned value to identifying the system. So these are the systems that can be identifying to support the transformation, support the data behavior, and support the performance. What performance they are going to support? They are going to support for transformation of process. They are going to support for usability of task. Then the next is accessibility. You might have heard the accessibility. HOD or this one Ashok might have taught you. What is accessibility? Anybody? What is accessibility? Anybody? You people have subject of software engineering, right?
Sir, enabling access to disabled people.
Yes, enabling access. No, but how we are going to give the access in mobile? Suppose a person they can't listen, one condition. A person they can't see, right? So for those people, they cannot deaf, they cannot listen. For them, what we have to do? We have to give the visual effect. A person they cannot see, we have to give the audio effects, right? So here accessibility of mobile is nothing but guidance to perform the operation under different circumstances, guidance to perform the task under different application. These are the performance that we can identify with minimal data. These are the performance that we can identify with task data. These are the performance that we can identify with application data. These are the performance that we can identify the control data. Fine. So task control data behavior can have the multiple application to perform the value and their identification, perform the data and their completeness of system. These are the basic tasks that we are going to perform in design, that we are going to perform with application. So the performance and design can have the basic parameter to access the system. Fine. Performance and design can have basic parameter to access the control. So what are the control access we are doing? We are doing the control access with support of system. We are going to control access with task identification. We are going to control access with basic data. So once you have the basic configuration of data, there we are going to support the minimal transformation. Once we are going to have the basic data, then we can use the hearing system and vision system. Hearing system for whom? They cannot see, they cannot view, right? And vision system, they cannot listen. So these are the vice versa, right? So control of data can be assigned to mobile performance. Such activity come under the overall behavior, navigation link, page layout, structural application, and task control. Getting my point? Once you transform the data from one application to other application and one set of data to other set of data, then we'll have the multiple set of application. Then we have the multiple set of transformation. These are the transformation that can be assigned to perform the activity with given value. These are the transformation that can have assigned but different structure to make use of task, different structure to make the application, right? So insertion of data can be performed to assign the activity with available resources. What is the available resources? So these are the transformations that can be support to design the system and their implementation. These are the support of data that can be performed with available resources, that can be performed with multiple transformation. So control data can have the assigned value to perform the activity. Control data can have the task value to identifying the system. These are the structural data that we can use for performance design. These are the structural data that we can use for different orientation. The orientation of task can be performed to design the activity with available system. How they are going to use the available system? They are going to use the available system with resource. They are going to use the available system means dynamic data. They are going to use the resource system means application data or performance data. So these are the parameters that we are going to perform with assigned activity. Fine. So assigned activity is a data segment that can have the multiple level of application to perform the task, that can have the data durability to identifying the system, that can have the task control to perform the activity. Fine. So just think you remember accessibility, hearing, vision, speech, dexterity, congestion. These are the 16 remember that can have the multiple transformation to perform the activity, that can have the multiple transformation to identifying the data system. So once you identifying the data where we have the task, where we have the performance, that can be identifying with task definition, that can be identifying with performance definition, that can be identifying with application development. Fine. So application development can be assigned to perform the activity with given data. Application development can be assigned with performance activity to assign task. These are the data value that we are considering for assigning the application. These are the data value that we are considering to perform the activity. So performance of activity can have the basic transformation in mobile development system. What are activity? Speech activity, dexterity activity, congestion activity. These three plus previous two, hearing, vision. So question is, what are the accessibility control of mobile application? Explain with the example. So what example you can give? Hearing, you can give the example for the person who promising the progress. Vision, you can give example for person for identifying the task. So these are some basic orientation you can perform with the data to identifying the application. These are some basic performance of data to perform the activity. These are the data that can have the minimal application to perform the task. These are the data that can have the task definition to identifying the system. So once you identifying the system with given control of data, there we can perform the different activity. There we can perform the basic data. There we can perform the task data, right? So why I'm repeating all those parameters? Because these are the basic content that can have the assigned data to have the maximum operation with different details. Assigned data with minimal application to having the different value. Once you use the task that can be assigned to perform the value and identifying the application, perform the value and identifying the data. So those tasks, those data can have the application segment to perform the activity. What activity they are going to perform? We are going to perform the control activity. What are the control? Congestion control, speech control, dexterity control, then design data system. So understanding the mobile information design, this is the basic question. Understanding of computer, that means you must know the hardware, you must know the software, you must know the detailed design, and you must know the configuration performance. So these are the data, these are the application that can have the performance tools, that can have the assign application, that can have the derivation control. So once you are going to control these assigned data, that can have the multiple level of application. Once you are going to assign with task data, that time we have the multiple application. So application of control data can be assigned to perform the system and their identification, perform the system and their data, perform the system and their tools. So these are the tools that can have the multiple application to identifying the task. These are the tools that can have the multiple data to perform the activity. So once you are performing this parameter that can be assigned with given application to have task implementation data design that can have the performance activity of running data system that can have the performance application to design system. So these are the derivation that can be used. These are the derivation that can be assigned with multiple configuration, with multiple data, and with multiple performance. So the performance can have the minimal task to be implemented with design data. So that can be used to transform the application with available resources. That can be used to transform the data with performance design. Fine. So these are the performance that can be enabled. These are the performance that can be transmitted, and these are the performance that can be accessible. So accessibility of performance can be analyzed to have the minimum data to transform the application, minimum data to identifying the system, minimum data to perform the activity. These are the assigned activity can have the definition. These are the assigned activity can have the task to control the value, the task to identifying the system. So once you use this task, there we are going to identifying the control. Once you use the task, there we are going to control the application. So task control application can be enhanced to perform the activity and derivation of task. Perform the performance can have the analyzed data value. The performance can be analyzed with multiple tasks and data application. Performance can be analyzed with definition of value and identical support. These are the support of data that can be used to identifying the basic variance and basic identification. The course content of data can be supported to analyze the value in different applications that come under the understanding the mobile design. Fine. So information design, development design, design pattern, navigation design, menu design. These are the basic parameters that we are going to control with available resources, that we are going to control with assigned task. Fine. So assigning the task can have the multiple application to perform the data and running the system, perform the data and identifying the system. These are the basic behavior that can be used. These are the basic behavior that can be identifying to perform the activity. These are the basic behavior that can be changed to identifying the system application, changed to identifying the performance of data model. These are the basic definition you can identify based on available task, based on available menu, based on available navigation, based on available control, and based on available design. Fine. So navigation, control, design, identification, these are the basic segments that we are going to use with assigned data application, that we are going to use with performance data task, that we are going to use with assigned data activity. These are the parameters that we can assign. These are the parameters that we can identify with performance activity. So now the question is, what are the components that we can conform? What are the components that we can identify with design implementation? So why navigation required? Navigation required to execute the task, explain the task, scroll the task, and notification and feedback. Similarly, these are the data can have the multiple set of instructions that can be identifying to perform the activity. Multiple set of data can be identifying to have the multiple controls, to have the multiple data. So identical data can have the task control to perform the activity, task control to have the data segmentation. Fine. So initial data can be identifying to perform the data set to make use of system and their identification. Consolidation of data can be reassigned to perform the activity. So these are the navigation, as I have told earlier also. These are the different view: fixed view, extended view, data view, transformation view, and performance behavior identification. These are the control segment data that we are going to identify with available system. These are the performance data that we are going to identify with structural application. Fine. So structural application can be enhanced to perform the activity with different segment. Different tasks, different application, and different design. So once you use all the parameter, then you are able to see the figure. What you are seeing, the view. Which view? Orientation view. The orientation view must have the performance design to use the completeness of data. These are the structural view, fixed menu to compile the application and data set. Fine. So these are the orientation view. Next one, the content structure and uses. What is my content? Content means you are going to pass that message in given application. You are going to pass the message in available task. You are going to pass the message in performance design. That is known by content. So content can have the multiple set of application to perform the activity. Content can have the multiple set of application to identifying the task. Content can have the data derivation to make use of task and their usability. That is the segmentation of data that can be identifying to perform the system. That is the segmentation of data to can be used to have the various activity combined with the running application. These are the tasks we are going to use for performance activity. Fine. So that is the basic things of mobile application that can be used to assign the task and their durability. These are the basic tools that can be performed with grid design, notification design, viewing design, control design, and task design. So once you use the task design, that can have the multiple transformation to support the system. So these are the basic definition. These are the basic tasks that can be performed with assigned activity. These are the basic data that can be performed with multiple application. Fine. So this is the structural support of content design. There, what are the parameter will come? That parameter is nothing but interviewing screen, orientation, toolkit, design, application, performance, and given parameter. These are the applications that can have to perform the multiple tasks that can be used and aligned for application, used and aligned from data class. So this is your all about mobile structure. I need one more class tomorrow. So tomorrow we'll finish this parameter, then 1 or 2 days we can do the basic comprehensive, then we can start the other things. So if you are not getting something, kindly ask me. If you are getting something, okay. So class will progress, we will try to, we will get it more clarity. So this subject is nothing but interlinked subjects. First one introduction, then Android, then SMS, then iOS, then Windows Phone, These are the interlinked data. So these are the basic structure of hardware and software configuration. Next units, the basic real drama will start. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. If you don't have doubt, so it is the lunch time now. You people are also feeling hungry, me too. So we can bind the session and we can meet tomorrow. We are having first hour. So tomorrow, even though Saturday, please try to join. Okay. If anybody having any question, you can ask me. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
No, sir.
No question. Fine. So go and enjoy your lunch. I am also going to have my lunch. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Bye. 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 Bye.